Bumper-to-bumper freeways, jammed airports, California is a congestion bottleneck that is getting worse as our population grows. On the November ballot, we can start to change that. Prop 1A will allow the construction of a safe and affordable alternative, a high-speed rail system connecting our state's major cities. Imagine traveling downtown San Diego to downtown San Francisco in under 3 hours, all on electric high-speed trains that cut dangerous greenhouse gas emissions and save valuable oil. It's the result of 10 years of careful study, including systems in Asia and Europe that have operated safely for decades. The system will be paid for with federal, private, and state funds. Prop 1A authorizes about $10 billion of funds for the state's share, but to protect taxpayers, that state bond money cannot be spent on construction until the partner funds are raised. Vote yes on 1A for affordable and reliable high-speed trains.